Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a wonderful day so far. We got this gorgeous '06 Jeep Wrangler X model. Just wanted to do a quick video startup for you guys. Man, this thing's very sharp. 122,000 miles, green title. It's really appealing to look at this. And I know the two-door Jeeps have a particular fan base, so if you guys have any more questions outside the video coverage, just feel free to reach out. I will be more than happy to talk to you guys about it. But for now, just wanted to do a quick startup and give you an idea of what this beast sounds like. All right, let's go ahead and crank it on. Perfect. 122K miles. No error lights on or anything like that. Alright folks, that is pretty much it for this Jeep. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, if you have any more particular questions, don't hesitate to reach out and we'll be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.